Hi, I'm Phil Munns, and these are today's stories. A man from Ellesmere Port has been jailed for 25 years for a string of sexual offences against children. Patrick O'Neill, whose most recent address was Blaken Avenue in Chester, was found guilty of 26 charges at Chester Crown Court. They were against 3 girls and 3 boys between 1983 and 2006. Sainsbury's and Asda have agreed to merge in a deal that could transform the retail sector. They insist both brands will be retained and they're not planning to close any stores. The deal would make the two combined bigger than Tesco. A new report shows that the majority of people in the Northwest would want to help in an emergency but wouldn't know what to do. The British Red Cross experienced one of its busiest years since World War II last year in terms of responding to urgent matters like fires, floods and even terrorist attacks. Commuters could face extra traffic problems in Chester for the next 12 days. Repair work is needed on the railway bridge next to Morrison's in Bache. Mill Lane will be closed, with motorists advised to use Heath Road instead. That's all for now. There's more on your radio. Goodbye.